How to access Google Bard AI, that is a new release. So to use that, open up your Google or your Chrome browser, and then on the search bar search for Google Bard AI, and then on the first search you will have Meet Bard Google. Click on that, and then on the upper left side you will have Bard and Experiment. So by that we can conclude that this is just in a running phase, so it has not been completely. So on the bottom right side you will have an option which says join waitlist. Click on that, and after that it is asking you to join the Bard waitlist. Click on, and then on the bottom right side you will have join waitlist. Click that, and now you've been added to the waitlist. Google Bard will send you an email after that, and then within a few minutes or a few hours you will be ready to use your Bard AI. You can get access to it. So that's how you get access to Google Bard AI. And if you have any questions related to this, feel free to comment below. Thank you.